Hey everybody, I'm Kim Ann, the Rebounding Nurse. I'm going to take you on a approximately 10-minute beginner workout. I'm in gorgeous Valley of Fire State Park in Nevada. I have my dogs behind me. Hopefully they're not too distracting. Spoiler alert, they were. Stick around until the end to see Lilo's great escape and a quick tour of this beautiful campsite. And we're gonna get into it. If you haven't warmed up yet, I did a full warm up on, I'll link it up here. I think it's really important to warm up, not only to get your body warm, but also it's a mind thing. Like it just gets you, it's like a ritual. It gets you in the mood to start moving your body. So we're gonna start with the health bounce, feet a little wider than hip distance apart. And we're just bouncing down into the mat. Knees are soft, core is engaged, hands on hips. And we're here for a full minute. And when you engage your core, it's kind of like you're zipping up a tight pair of pants. That pull in you do, that little hollowing out of your belly, that's what you're aiming for. Add some arms. Whew, that feels so good. If you have your stability bar, you can rest your hands there or keep them on your hips, whatever you want. Going to a new move in 5, 4, 3, 2. We're just going to do a gentle side to side. Whew. This feels so good. Can add some arms. I like to snap. Get into the music. Everybody's tension on their rebounder is different, so you might not be at the same point that I am, and that's okay. Just do what you can. Wherever you're at, you're at. It's so important for us to go lateral. I'm gonna do another move in 5, 4, 3, 2. Feet a little wider than hip distance apart. We're just shifting our weight side to side. So it's called a bounce balance. I was saying about lateral moves, it is so important, especially as we age, because normally we're just going forward. And we get into trouble sometimes if we don't train that lateral action, because we try to move laterally and bad things can happen. So very important to train that lateral movement. I hear my dogs back there, but you have to concentrate when you're on the rebounder. Core in, knees soft, winding down on this song. Okay, we're going to start from the top with that health bounce, adding arms. Oh, it feels so good on my shoulders. I carry a lot of tension in my shoulders, so woo. Wow. I like this song. And a few seconds, we're going to go back to that side to side in 5, 4, 3, 2, side to side. Adding the arms. Core engaged. Ooh. Few more seconds here, and then we're going to go back to that bounce balance. In 4, 3, 2, bounce balance. Trying to do alternating arms, but I don't think it really matters. The sun is peeking over the rocks. Tried to get this shot before the sun came over the rocks. That's one thing about shooting outside. You have to be conscious about where the sun is and the time of day. But the sun's coming over the rocks and we're just going with it. Morning, sun. So for the next song, we're going to start with a gentle heel. Here we go. We're going to put our heels forward. Still keeping that form. Still smiling because rebounding is fun. And welcoming the sun. Can add our arms. Elbows at a 90-degree bend, back and forth. And in 4 seconds, we're going to go to a freestyle. 4, 3, 2, 1. Just freestyle. I'm going to do a twist. Join me in a twist. But however the music moves you. That's what's so much fun about rebounding. You can just put on your favorite music and just dance. Like when we're kids, we don't worry about what we look like. We don't worry about what we're wearing. We just dance and be in the moment. And you can certainly do that. With rebounding, that brings it back. Last minute, we're gonna go back to that gentle half bounce. Woo! The dog's quiet down there. Oops, I can't look. Keep started from digging. So good. Woo! Woo! Thank you, everybody, for joining me on this 10-ish beginner workout. I'm going to end with some fabulous views of where I am. So we'll see you on the next one. How did my dog get all the way up there? She got out of our harness.